Hi. This video we learn HTML. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is a heading. This is a paragraph. This is a link. Now let's see our example. Now let's see example explained. The doctype declaration defines that this document is an HTML5 document. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page. The title element specifies a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. The body element defines the document's body and is a container for all the visible contents, such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists. The H1 element defines a large heading. The P element defines a paragraph. Thanks you for watching this video.